Did you know the average person checks their phone over 96 times a day? That's once every 10 minutes. And studies show we spend more than 7 hours daily on screens. Almost half of our life awake, gone in scrolling. But let me ask you this. When was the last time you went even a single day without your phone? Do you unlock it without realizing why? Do you feel restless if the Wi-Fi drops for just a few minutes? And the biggest one, what would happen if you gave your brain 7 days away from all this digital noise? That's what this 7-day digital detox challenge is all about. Let's see if you can reset your brain. Day 1. What if you discovered the real hours you're losing on screen time? Day 2. What if all those buzzing notifications just disappeared? Day 3. Could you last a day without Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok? Day 4. How different would your mornings feel without grabbing your phone first? Day 5. What if your nights were free of glowing screens? Day 6. When did you last give someone your full attention without checking your phone? And Day 7. If you reach the end, how different would your mind feel? Here's what actually happens. On Day 1, tracking your screen time opens your eyes. You finally see the hours slipping away. Day 2. Turning off notifications feels like cutting invisible strings pulling at your attention. Day 3. No social media. It's uncomfortable at first, then freeing when you realize nothing falls apart without it. Day 4. Mornings feel calmer and sharper when you start without a screen. Day 5. Your sleep deepens. No more buzzing brain at midnight. Day 6. Real conversations remind you how powerful human connection really is. And by Day 7, reflection shows a calmer mind, clearer focus, and energy you thought was gone. So, are you ready to try it? 7 days. 7 small shifts. 1 massive reset for your brain. Start today and tell me in the comments. Which day do you think will be the hardest? And if you'd like more guidance while taking on this challenge, watch this video. It'll show you simple ways to practice digital minimalism in your daily life. This is 7D Mindset. Think deeper. See broader. Grow wiser.